to the White House. Quintessential modern Australian design, this one won't last long. 594B, Port Hacking Road, Port Hacking.
I love this covered back entertaining space. You've got the north aspect, pool and grass, and it's all dead level.
They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and here it certainly is. You look straight out to the pool and you must check out the butler's pantry.
The architects have designed this home to embrace natural light with high ceilings and windows. So, we've shown you through the house. Now let's take a look at what it's like to live in Port Hacking, Lilli Pilli.